Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to declare and use for range loop statement in Go or Golang programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to share this video in social media, and please support my channel by subscribing. So let's get started. So right now I'm using my Visual Code editor, Visual Studio Code, that is free to use. So we have here line number 1, package main; line number 3, import FMT for input output; line number 5, function main. It is the starting and ending point function in any Go program. So we have here numbers, and then we have here declaration of array 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. FMT printf, new line, and then we have here the title of our program, printf \t for range loop in Go. So we have here the use of for loop statement. In Go programming language, we are only using one type of looping statement, that is for. For a colon equals range numbers, open and close parentheses. FMT \t a equals %d, num is %d, a comma numbers, open and close bracket a, and then print new line, and the program new line, right curly bracket. Now let us run the code. So to run a code in Go, we should issue in the terminal window go run for range.go. Okay, so we have here the result. So A0 number is 100, A2 number is 200, A2 number is 300, A3 400, A4 500, A5 600, A6 700, A7 800, A8 900, A9 is 1000, and a program. So I will put a link in the description below guys, so that you can download the complete program listing. This is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new on for range loop statement in Go. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel by subscribing. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.